Welcome to this video guide on selecting residential water pumps. We will walk you through an engineer's diagnostic methodology to help you make the right choice for your specific needs. At the heart of the process is the centrifugal pump. The motor spins the impeller, creating centrifugal force that lowers the pressure at the center, drawing water in. The spinning blades accelerate the water, and the resulting high pressure pushes it out of the system. Selecting the right pump involves 4 key steps: identifying the water source, calculating sizing requirements, matching electrical specifications, and determining the necessary enclosure for environmental protection. The first step is checking the depth. If the source is less than 8 meters deep, a surface pump is typically used. For depths greater than 8 meters, you will need a submersible pump to push the water up. Next, calculate the total dynamic head. This is the sum of the vertical distance from the water to the pump, the distance from the pump to your tank, and a 20% allowance for friction losses in your plumbing. For sizing, a good rule of thumb is that the pump should fill your overhead tank within 30 to 45 minutes. Standard homes generally require 30 to 45 liters per minute, while larger homes may need up to 70 liters per minute. Electrical compatibility is critical. Single-phase systems are standard for urban homes, while 3-phase power is typically reserved for larger agricultural or industrial loads that exceed 2 horsepower. Always match the frequency. A 50 Hz motor running on a 60 Hz grid will spin too fast, which can cause severe damage to your mechanical seals and bearings. Variable frequency drives can electronically adjust motor speed, allowing for significant energy savings. If you use one, ensure you specify an inverter-duty motor to prevent winding degradation. Finally, choose the right enclosure. Open drip-proof motors are for indoor use, totally enclosed fan-cooled motors are standard for outdoor conditions, and washdown units are designed for chemically harsh or wet environments. Use this master checklist to synthesize your requirements. From source depth and sizing to power phase and safety features like thermal overload protection, following these steps ensures a reliable water system.